Welcome, here I've got Listo SP50 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now we have to tap to this button above the shutter so we can get access to more modes of this camera, and the left side button. So let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings, and here in the photo category, when we slide a little bit down, we have the picture quality, so when we tap on it we can decide to keep it on super fine, fine, and also normal. And of course I suggest you to keep it on the best possible, which is super fine. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.